Hello friends. Today I want to show you how to cook chicken soup. Necessary products: 2 potatoes, peppers, carrots, onions, and chicken. First, pour water into a saucepan and put the chicken in it to boil. Once it starts to boil, use a spoon to remove the dirty foam, and after it has boiled, take the chicken out to the sides and strain the broth for a later stage. Then the washed vegetables, chop finely, and add them to the pan. Pour oil and fry them. Add the diced potatoes, mix well, and add the broth left over from the chicken. If not enough, add water. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add dry savory by crushing it by hand. Stir well and let it boil for 10 minutes. Subscribing to the channel Secrets from the Chef's Kitchen means that you appreciate the content. And ringing the bell means you choose what to watch, not the YouTube algorithm. Add the chicken, which is chopped into small pieces. The noodles and let it boil. To build the soup we need 1 egg yolk and yogurt. Beat well and well, and with the help of a ladle start adding from the boiling broth, stirring constantly until the temperature equalizes, so as not to cross the building for the soup. Then return the building to the pot and stir. I wish you a good appetite.